having a great day. So we're going to start a new segment called Walt Wednesdays. I'm going to give you my favorite Disney tips every single Wednesday. My first tip, find a Disney character warehouse. They're outlets that carry only Disney Park and Disney Cruise Line products. You're going to find ears, magic bands, pins, all kinds of things that you can find in Disney properties that's very different from what you find in Disney stores or the Disney store online. You have lots of items that I've seen in stores, and then I'll go into the Disney character outlet and I'll find the same items there, sometimes more than 50% off. If you don't have one local in your area, they do have them near the Disney parks, specifically in Walt Disney World in Orlando. There are 2 in the area. So find a Disney character warehouse and go berserk.